Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to secure your login code with a password on the Anton application. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the avatar icon down below, which is the last option. Now click on settings. Scroll down till you find the secure login code with password section and tap on it. Now scroll down and tap on the button switch to yes. Now as you can see, first you need to type in your email address or mobile phone. So tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen and then tap on the email address section. Now tap on continue, and now you need to type in the year of birth of yours. Then tap the button continue, then press the button agree down below, and now you are ready to type in your email address. So if you are done with it, press the button continue down below and an email address will be sent to you, and you need to press the button verify now if you have received your email, an email to your email address containing a verification code that you need to type in down below, thereby being able to confirm your email address. And after that, if you go back to this secure login code with password section, you will be able to complete the following steps and set up your password. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.